All right, so just a quick video for you guys. Got my staff out here taking some pics, and then we have the drone guy scheduled. But this is the end of the road. All right, so it comes down. Those guys, whoever else told you, it was septic. Crazy. Manhole cover, right there. There's actually a picture on Google. If you drop a pin right here, they still show this dug up, and all the sewer lines are like right here, just capped, ready to go. Here's your power pole. So you have power right there. And then we have your cable for buried cable. So your lot starts like pretty much right here. It's pretty overgrown. Come around the corner, there's the, house. And then there's even kind of a wall right here. So kind of pan back for you as well. All right, so we're getting our signs up now, putting everything all the way out to the street. Should be able to get the drone guys out here next day or two, just waiting for sunny weather as well as FAA permission, and we'll get this property shot. What I was saying, see how we can't find any of the boundary markers? So that's where the survey and identifying boundary markers comes in to, tell people, hey, this is the property.